everyone, and welcome to this tutorial how to install, configure and use Zoom with Windows 10 for our congregation meetings. To begin, open the email you received that provided a link to the meeting. Click on the link and it will take you to the Zoom webpage and we'll start downloading the app. Click on Save at the bottom left-hand side of your computer screen and click to complete the installation. Once it has been installed, a box will open asking you to enter your name. This is recommended that you enter your first and last name so that your name will appear on the list of meeting participants. Then you can click on Join Meeting. Adjust your camera so the other participant can see you. Then click on Join with Video. When the next box appears, you will need to check the box Automatically Join Audio by Computer when joining a meeting. So you can skip this step next time you listen to a meeting. Then click Join with Computer Audio. Now you can maximize the screen. In the bottom left-hand corner, you will have a number of options related to the microphones and loudspeakers. To the right of these, there are options related to the video cameras. In the upper right-hand corner, there is an option for either the gallery view, where you can see the other participants, or the speaker view, where you can see only the speaker. If you would like to make a comment during the meeting, click on Participant at the bottom of the screen in the center. You will see a list of all the participants. At the bottom of the list, you have the option Raise Hand if you would like to make a comment. When you click on this, you will see a small blue hand appear beside your name so that the speaker knows you would like to comment. If the speaker calls on you, go to the bottom left corner and click on the microphone icon. You will see Unmute My Audio and can now give your comment. When you are finished, click on the icon again and you will see Mute My Audio, which will turn your microphone off. You will also need to click on lower hand in the participant list. You can go to the lower right of the screen and click on Leave Meeting. You will be asked to confirm Leave Meeting. Click to end the meeting. The next time you sign onto a meeting, simply go back to the email and click on the link. This time, you only need to click on Open Zoom. The app will open and you can click on Join with Video and then maximize the screen. That's how to attend a meeting using Zoom on a Windows 10 computer. Enjoy your meeting!